Hello guys, in this video I would like to tell you a bit about Dubrovnik and to show you some footage that I managed to take while being there for a short period of time. Dubrovnik is a gem of the Adriatic, one of the Croatia's most popular cities, attracting visitors with its medieval streets, pristine beaches and breathtaking views. Located on the country's southern coast, the city draws millions of tourists each year. Dubrovnik has a rich history that dates back to the 7th century. Initially, the city was founded under the name Ragusa and eventually became an important port and trade center in the Adriatic. It flourished due to its maritime trade and diplomatic skills. Between the 15th and the 18th centuries, Dubrovnik was an independent republic and even having its own constitution, which made it unique in Europe. Thanks to wise diplomacy and trade, the city remained independent even from the Ottoman Empire for a long time. Today, one of the main historical attractions is the Old Town, surrounded by powerful fortress walls. These walls have not only been preserved, but also have become a symbol of Dubrovnik. Their length is about 2 kilometers, and tourists can walk along them, enjoying views of the sea and the city's architecture. Inside the Old Town, many historical landmarks remain, such as the Franciscan Monastery, the Rector's Palace, and the Church of Saint Blaise. Today, Dubrovnik is a center of cultural life in Croatia. It often hosts various festivals, including the famous Dubrovnik Summer Festival, featuring open-air theater performances, concerts, and other cultural events. The city gained even more international fame as a filming location for the Game of Thrones series, which has made it extremely popular, with tourists seeking out spots that represented King's Landing. Dubrovnik has numerous restaurants, cafes and hotels for all tastes. Local seafood and traditional Croatian dishes are particularly valued here. Visitors can enjoy tours, sea trips, diving and other activities. The Jesuit Staircase, located near Gondolik Square in the heart of Dubrovnik's Old Town, is a magnificent Baroque staircase that has become synonymous with one of the most iconic and shocking scenes in Game of Thrones history, Cersei Lannister's Walk of Shame. In the show, Cersei is forced to walk naked through the streets of King's Landing as punishment for her crimes. The scene begins at the top of the Jesuit Staircase, where Cersei stands defiantly, looking down at the jeering crowd below. Even if you're not a Game of Thrones fan, the Jesuit Staircase is still worth visiting for its architectural beauty and historical significance. Prices in Dubrovnik are relatively high compared to other Croatian cities. For instance, lunch for two in a mid-range restaurant might cost around 50 euros or more, while a coffee in a cafe costs about 3 euros. A night in a mid-range hotel typically starts at 100 euros for a double room, while more luxurious accommodations are significantly more expensive. For tourists looking to save, there are also options like private apartments and hostels at more affordable prices. Still, Dubrovnik is considered a relatively expensive destination compared to other European cities. How about weather? Dubrovnik has a Mediterranean climate with mild winters and warm summers. In summer, the temperature usually ranges between 25-30 degrees Celsius, and the sea warms up to 24-26 degrees, making it ideal for beach vacations. Winters are quite mild, with temperatures rarely dropping below 10 degrees Celsius, which also attracts tourists even in the colder months. If conclude, Dubrovnik is a city worth visiting at least once in a lifetime. Its historical heritage, architectural masterpieces, beautiful beaches and vibrant cultural life leave unforgettable impressions. While prices may seem high, the beauty and uniqueness of Dubrovnik justify the expenses, making it a true treasure of the Adriatic. If I add my personal impressions, I would say that I was also captivated, though I admit I didn't have enough time to visit all the spots in the city and see it more thoroughly and at a slower pace. However, my summer vacation, which included visits to 3 major Croatian cities like Zadar, Split and Dubrovnik, allowed me to see different cities, different styles and just how they each have a unique look. I think it's a really cool experience. Overall, Croatia has so many more cities and places that can leave you in awe and wonder, but for me it was enough to understand that Croatia is a beautiful country when you will encounter both incredible mountains, very clear and beautiful sea, and stunning architecture with a rich historical heritage. Highly recommended for a visit. I just want to notice that I included drone footage in this video, so here it is in a few moments. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.